Are you struggling with an error while using SwiftyJSON? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle the issue of call can throw, but it is marked with try, and the error is not handled. Let's get you back on track. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you know your JSON is valid, yet you still encounter errors. It feels like you're hitting a wall, right? You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user mentioned that they are getting an error while trying to load lender details using SwiftyJSON. They validated their source JSON but are still stuck. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that the function you're calling can throw an error, but you're not handling it properly. This is a common issue when working with asynchronous tasks in Swift. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. You won't want to miss it. To address the error message, the user needs to handle the potential error that can occur when making the network request. This can be done by using a do-catch block. Next, the user should ensure that the URL string is valid. An empty string will lead to a nil URL, which can cause the request to fail. After that, the user should check the response from the server. It's important to verify that the response is successful before attempting to parse the data. Finally, the user can test the updated code to ensure that the error is resolved and that the JSON data is being parsed correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014? It has quickly become one of the most popular programming languages for iOS development. Let's keep that momentum going. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests wrapping your URL session call in a do-catch block. This way, you can handle any potential errors that may arise during the execution. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. One alternative solution is to implement a do-catch block. Inside the do block, you should call the throwable function using try. This will help you handle any potential errors that may arise. Here's the tip I promised. Always handle errors when working with asynchronous tasks. It saves you from unexpected crashes and makes your code more robust. And there you have it. By implementing error handling, you should be able to resolve that pesky error. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Remember, coding is all about learning and improving.